Think your trip to Bali starts once the plane takes off? No, it starts right here. Let's run through what we do. These are the exact steps that we take before every trip to Bali. So from passports to visas, parking, packing, gadgets, we're going to run through our complete Bali preparation routine. If you love Bali travel tips, travel photography, honest family travel reviews, hit subscribe because we've got a lot more content coming from this trip. Let's get ready for Bali. First thing, passports. Make sure there's no damage, no rips, no tears, no water damage, and at least 6 months validity from the date of your arrival in Bali. Next, we check what travel essentials we already have at home. No point spending money we don't need to. Things like our lockbox for passports, insect repellents, charcoal tablets, luggage scale, travel adapters, and a power board with USBs. And our first aid kit. Now we need to grab whatever we're missing. Things like hand sanitizer, colostrum tablets, probiotics, all the little things which may be difficult to find in Bali or are very expensive. Before Bali, these apps are mandatory for us. Make sure we've always got WhatsApp on our phones, readily used throughout Southeast Asia so that you can communicate with your drivers and businesses. Also, make sure that we've got the My Bluebird app on our phone so that we can book short rides if we need to. Works pretty much the same as Uber app. Other people prefer Grab or Gojek. We use My Bluebird. We message our Bali driver before our trip and book in for the days that we want to use her for our day trips and anything else we might need transport for. One less thing that we need to worry about when we arrive. All right, time for the boring part, all the online paperwork. So we need to apply for our eVisa, do our customs declaration, and organise the Bali Tourist Levy. All done before we can fly. Can do them in the airport when you arrive, but how long that will take and will depend on how many other planes have landed at the same time. So it could take hours, it could take minutes. Next up, organising our eSIM so that we've got internet the second we land. And it works pretty well. So we've always purchased them from Klook. Long flight, download some movies before you leave. Future you will be thankful. All right, we also clean out our wallets and handbags. No need to take any unnecessary cards, memberships, or random junk coming with us. So before leaving, we clean out anything out of the car, any valuables, anything that doesn't need to be here. Cleaner, safer, smarter. Now comes the packing. Everything lightweight. Remember, it's quite hot over there at the moment. I'm sure when we get there and start to unpack, we've probably forgotten something. Cut the lawns, trim the edges, just so that it's not obvious we're not home. And we're also not coming back to a complete jungle and having to work flat out before we go back to work. Sheds and gates locked. Power points off. Switch off everything except the fridge. No point all this stuff sucking power while we're not here. Windows shut and locked. This flight day. That's AM, not PM. Time for the final house checks. So all the doors locked, all the windows locked, all the power points off, except for the fridge. All the sheds and gates are locked, and we'll switch the water off on our way out. Why do we do that? Well, we're not here for a while, so we don't want any of the flexi hoses bursting. And check every door is locked. All right, now we load the car, and it's starting to feel real now. All right, just like that. Bali, here we come.
Yay, Bali!
And just like that, we are at the airport. All right, so just like that, we're at Adelaide Airport. It is about 3:15 in the morning. We're on a 6:10 a.m. flight to Denpasar. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, join us on the adventure.
Subscribe!
Bali content's just getting started.
Bye!
That,
Subscribe!
from food, shopping, family activities, and some photography. We're going to be sharing everything with you, so come along for the ride. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.